Good morning, everyone. This is Jake with Lights at Wholesale and InvisiLights, and today I'm at an install with one of our InvisiLight dealers, Ryan Kennedy, owner of Spark LED, and we've got a install on this home behind me. We're using our permanent color matched aluminum track, and as you can see, there's a few peaks on this home, some disconnected jumps or breaks in the roof line, so we're gonna have to get a little bit creative and yeah, stick around. We're going to show you the install process. I'm about to go into the attic and see what the situation is up there, and if we can make all these jumps nice and discreet and clean and hidden, so that we don't have to have any exposed wiring on the outside of the home. But yeah, this homeowner's having the face done, and they're also having both sides. Not sure if we'll finish today, but be sure to show you the whole process of the front and the sides. And then we'll show you the finished product at night, so you can see how good it looks in this wonderful neighborhood that we're in. So, see you later. Okay, quick kind of mid-morning update on the install. I spent some time in the attic and I was able to run the extensions to the different peaks that we have. So Ryan stayed on the outside of the home while I was up in the attic, and we were able to fish. You can see there's two bulbs on this lower section, and then up here we've got another bulb sticking out from there, and then I actually crawled across this portion of the roof line, and then you see we've got a bulb right there that's lit up, and we have a bulb down here, and then we have a bulb right up there. Might not be able to see it, but those were all jumps that we made through different points of the face of the home, and they're all concealed behind the soffit panels. Those were pulled down and removed temporarily. Oh, I have hiccups. But anyway, now it's time to start putting our peak pieces up. The peak pieces, we take extra time to cut, really especially, and make sure that they have a nice 12-inch spacing. It's one of the signature things about InvisiLights. A high quality InvisiLights install is going to have bulbs at the peak, and they're going to be evenly spaced so you don't get like a hot spot in the middle. It's going to tie everything together really good, and it's going to look like, you know, a nice high quality Christmas light install that the customer is used to seeing year round, or not year round, but year after year. So anyway, let me see if I can show you the box. Ryan went ahead and got that mounted while I was tidying things up in the attic. But yep, there's the box. He's got his logo on it, and everything just looks really, really professional. And even the power cord, we actually ran that through the ceiling and over here, so we don't have a wire that runs across the ceiling. And if the customer or anyone ever needed to reset the system, like if there was maybe a power outage, or the system just needed to be reset for whatever reason, you can just use the handle of a broomstick to reach up and hit that reset button on the GFCI outlet adapter, and then you could power cycle the system. That's a nice tip for the homeowner, or if you need to let them know if you have installed the GFCI on the ceiling by the garage door opener. But anyway, we'll pick up here in a little bit as we start putting some track on. I'm actually not going to show the installation of the peak pieces though, because that is a trade secret that we only teach in our InvisiLights training classes. So if you're interested in learning how to install InvisiLights professionally with aluminum track, we teach all kinds of great stuff over, usually the in-person trainings are about 2 days, or we have an online training course that's on demand, and that's right now between 8 and 9 hours. We keep adding to it, and you can learn how to do all these things that we're doing right now from the comfort of your home if you want to use the online training that we have. So I'll put links in the description. We've got some in-person trainings that we'll be scheduling that aren't on the site yet at lightsatwholesale.com, but I'll include the links for the online and what we have for the in-person right now. So yeah, I'll come back as soon as we have these peak pieces done and hidden, and we'll go from there. All right, quick update. we are making some great progress. So we got the peaks done, and as you can see, I've already got some lights running across the garage. The straightaway sections are super fast, as you might guess, and the peaks really aren't challenging at all. Ryan's over here. You can see him down on that end, just finishing up the section over there. But yeah, we'll have these straightaways done in no time, and it's going really well. So I'll bring you back in a little while. One thing I want to point out on these 3 peaks is how symmetrical they are, and how each one of them has a bulb right in the center. So with Christmas lights, good Christmas light installers are always putting a center bulb in the peak of all the peaks on the home. And the same goes for great permanent light installers. It takes a little extra time, but it looks so clean at night to have even spacing on the roof line and to have that peak bulb right in the center. So I can't wait to show you once they're connected and they're lit up, but they're gonna look so awesome.
It's almost getting too dark for those kind of close-ups.
Okay, if you stuck with us through the video so far, we just finished this awesome InvisiLights install. I've got it turned green for St. Patrick's Day, and down both sides we have the lights going, so it all looks really good. Whether you're driving down the street or you're in front of the home, these lights look amazing. And again, the install looks very clean, very professional. There's no exposed wires anywhere. The control box is mounted in the garage, and we did all of our punches through the attic. It took a little bit of time. We had to crawl through the attic, but at the end, the customer is gonna love how these look, and they'll be able to change them for all of the holidays throughout the year. There's so many presets that come in on the app, ready to use, and there's tons of accent lighting colors that you can use just for like security lighting, or like I said, accent lighting when there's no holidays. So if you want to see more of these installs, subscribe to our YouTube channel or give us a follow on Facebook. We're always posting content about installs and trying to answer questions that installers have. And again, don't forget about our InvisiLights training. It's on demand, and we have it online. It's not very expensive, and we also have in-person training. We have one set up for March, and we'll be scheduling more of them throughout the season, especially before these permanent installs really start to pick up in the fall. Everyone wants them in time for Halloween and for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, but we'll make sure that you're trained and you're prepared and your team's trained and prepared for the busy season. So thanks. One other thing I want to mention, we're on a street where some of the other neighbors have permanent lighting. You might be able to see them behind me, but the quality difference between this professional InvisiLights install and some of these other kind of DIY kits is very noticeable. Especially the home behind me, you can see they have some lights that just kind of go down the side of the house, and that's because they're not meant to be cut or customized like InvisiLights. InvisiLights can be customized, so each bulb just has a screw connector, and so you can have the perfect number of lights to make the home and the install look, perfect no matter how big the install is. So we didn't have to do any power splicing or power injecting on this. It was all just very plug and play. And yeah, so thanks for sticking around.